Here's a funny story for you. So, when I used to volunteer on a crocodile rescue farm with an alligator, a 600-pound alligator named Hojo, and some chickens and macaws and pigeons, and there's rats there, and everything you can think of. So, it's so funny because, speaking of laughing, Long John Silver was a parrot, and the parrot was a female, even though it was John Silver. And I could hear John Silver laughing just like the lady that I call the crocodile lady, just like her in the other room looking out the window, and you could hear her laughing. It was so funny. I was like, oh my gosh, John Silver is looking out the window and laughing just like her. And I thought it was amazing. It was so funny. She's looking out the window and laughing. It was so funny. Just laughing and laughing and laughing and laughing. Identical to the crocodile lady's laugh. Identical. It was so funny. Peace. Have a great day today. Yeah. Good energy. Positive energy. Loving energy. Healing energy. Compassionate energy. Empathetic energy. Protection energy. Protecting you from anything that you don't want in your life. Thank you so much. Woohoo!